koutou. Kia ora, tamariki mā. Kei te rongo koutou I tēnā. It's toy time. Bye, mai.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it, spin it, spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Figure in your mind, it's toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time?
It's toy time fun, and when I'm really excited, we gonna have a good time, and you're all invited. We got Tama Jamal, Wolfie on Marimba, and we got Anika Moore, yeah, we on my cuss. Tell me, are you ready to ride? Because we bringing the vibes to you right here on toy time.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time!
Kia mau.
Hey!
Taiho ake, wait for me.
Kia ora, ko Riki ahau.
Maya, Jojo.
And today we're practicing...
Kapa haka. Oh, te āhua nei kei te hikaka maia ki ngā mahi haka. Oh, ai, Jojo. Me te mahi poi, me ngā mahi āringa, me te waiata.
Oh, and me te haka!
Ki raro. Kia ori. Kia mau.
Hey!
Tēnā takahia. Ngā manuhiri tuarangi e. Haere, haere mai.
Hey!
Ano?
Oh, yeah.
Join in. Ki raro. Kia ori. Kia mau.
Hey!
Tēnā takahia. Ngā manuhiri tuarangi e. Haere, haere mai. Hey!
We love Kapa Haka. We stand like this in our cool pew pew. We learn our whakapapa too.
Ki raro, kia ori, kia mau.
Like this.
Ano. Ki raro, kia ori, kia mau.
Like this. We love Kapa Haka. We sing out loud. We like to make a kuia and koroa feel proud. Say out loud. He, he. Stand tall and proud. Ha, ha. Say out loud. He, he. Stand tall and proud. Ha, ha. Kapa Haka is a really fun thing to do. With your whānau and friends at the marae or in your school. Kapa Haka is a really fun thing to do. With your whānau and friends at the marae or in your school. We love Kapa Haka, we can make a beat with our poi or our wai taka here to the beat. Wai taka here. Stomp your feet. Wai taka here. To the beat.
What time is it on? Toy time, it must be mahi. Toy time, it's time to use our imagination. The fun has only just begun. Then, we wrap this around the outside. Hei whakaniko-niko. Te pa. Te pa. tepa. Hānua.
Ātahua.
Kei te hanga titi tōrea maiwa. We're making titi tōrea.
It's super easy. You just roll up a magazine like this.
Whakamahia te tepa whakapiri. Kia pēnei.
Like this. And then you just decorate them however you like. You roll up a piece of paper around and decorate it however. Yeah. Easy.
Easy. That was the easy part, but the tricky part is learning how to pass them.
Oh, no, that's easy too. Watch this.
E hine hoki mai rā.
E papa waiari, taku nei mahi, taku nei mahi, he tūkuroi mata, e au e, kamate au. E hine hoki mai rā.
E hine hoki mai rā.
Hey! See? Easy.
Oh, kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. And today, we're off to find a spot to practice my mauraku. Oake tātou. Yeah. Oh, this is the perfect spot to practice my kapahaka for my school performance. Okay, now, Matua said you have to have a strong foundation, Buzz. Wai. All right, so he said stand nice and wide like this, strong legs, hope it. And then he'd say strong arms, poke your chest out, Buzz, and hold it. Hold it. Ah, awesome. And now, for the next part of the performance, I have to do toro parawai. I'll show you the footwork. Hey, you can do the footwork with me if you want to. I'll teach you. Look, here you go. Out and flick, out, flick. Your arms go side to side, and you can even breathe with it as well too. That helps sometimes. Oh, still got it. All right, now that I have mastered the toro parawai, I get to pick up my rako. Here we go. Oh. Check it out, my cuzzies. This is my rako. Now, Matua also said, he said, Buzz, these rako are a tonga and you have to look after them. So, no stepping over it, no dropping it, and when you're finished with it, put it somewhere that is nice and safe. All right, cool. Let's put it all together. All right, Buzz the Cuz steps out onto the stage, ready for his kapahaka debut. Oh, toro parawai is coming up. Perfect. Oh, I wonder if Matua will let me add in some fancy flicks. Let's practice. Here we go. Whoa. Ka kite anō, whānau.
Waiti waita waipuna rangi pōhutu kawa hiwa I te rangi tupua nuku ururangi tupua rangi matariki brings good luck to all. Waiti waita waipuna rangi pōhutu kawa hiwa I te rangi tupua nuku ururangi tupua rangi matariki brings good luck to all. In the middle of winter, when it's cold and dark outside, we see Matariki rising in the Aotearoa sky. This special constellation made up
tupuarangi. Matariki brings good luck to all. Waiti, waita, waipunarangi. Ho hutu kawa hiwa iterangi. Tupuanuku ururangi tupuarangi. Matariki brings good luck to all. In the middle of winter, when it's cold and dark outside, we see Matariki rising in the Aotearoa sky. This special constellation, made up of 9 stars, bring peace and bring well-being. But do you know what their names are? Waiti, waita, waipunarangi. Pohutu kawa hiwa iterangi. Tupuanuku ururangi tupuarangi. Matariki brings good luck to all. Waiti, waita, waipunarangi. Pohutu kawa hiwa iterangi. Tupuanuku ururangi tupuarangi. Matariki brings good luck to all.
Oh, why is waiting so hard? Is it time yet? Oh, I'm sure it's time. I'm so bored.
Knock, knock.
Anna!
Knock, knock.
Oh. Who's there?
Homie.
Homie. Homie who?
Homie, huie, taikie. Cuz. Hey, what are you waiting for? Whai mai.
Oh, yeah, it's Takaro time. Hoake tātou. Coming, Buzz.
Whai mai, whai mai. Whai mai.
Thank you, Maya. Buzz, kei te aha tātou. Did you bring us a toy to play with?
Even better. We're going to play a game today that uses mahi āringa. And...
We know this game. Ai, ko tēnei te kēmu, o te whairinga.
Me te pukana. Ooh, that's the one. Boys, you follow us. We whētero.
Yeah, we get to stick our tongues out.
But not us, right? Right, Jojo. Ko tiroma, we stick out our chins like this.
Ooh, yeah. And then we just pass the pukana around.
That's right, Buzz. Me tīmata tātou.
Ko tēnei te kēmu, o te whairinga, me te pukana. Ara pukana, pukana, pukana.
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 Pukana. Oh, that's okay, Tama. That was just a practice. Ano.
Ano. Ko tēnei te kēmu, o te whairinga, me te pukana. Ara pukana, pukana, pukana.
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 Oh, pukana.
Kia ora, tamariki mā. I'm tuning my guitar to get it sounding just right. That's better. Okay, waiata mai. Sing with me. E, I, o, ooh. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! You're pretty good. Okay, let's try again. E, I, o, ooh. Oh, whoa, you're neat. Okay, let's move up a note. E, I, o, ooh. Woo-hoo-hoo! You're doing such a good job. Love it. Okay, should we go higher? Okay. E, I, o, ooh. Woo-hoo! too good. Okay, here is a whittle for you. Whai mai. A, e, I, o, u, u. Woohoo! Okay, kōrite, timata. A, e, I, o, u, u. Woohoo! You guys are so amazing. I think you're ready for the Atamira Tamariki Ma. You're sounding awesome. Ooh, yeah. Hope. Kiraro. Ko Auntie Annie ka tōku ingoa. Ko ngā puhi tōku iwi. Ko te aupari tōku hapu no pawarenga au. Kei te tino hare koa i tēnei rā. Kei tamaki makaurau tōku koinga. Toko wha aku tamariki. He ataua he pewari. Ko ai koe, no hea koe. Ko ai koe, no hea koe. Ko ai koe, no hea koe. Ko ai koe, no hea koe.
Wow, Wolfie! You are such a beautiful singer.
But Oma, I'm not singing.
Are you not?
I'm howling. Oh, oh. I guess it sounds like singing there.
Oh, Wolfie, you have such a wonderful voice.
Oh, I know. Shall we sing a song together?
Oh, yes, please.
How about... A haka mana para tawanga whā.
E heke mene pere te winge whē.
E heke mene pere te winge whē.
O ko mono poro tōanga whā. A e I o u. Uku muna pura tūnga whū.
Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou tātou e. Whai a te maramatanga, me te aroha e ngā iwi kia tapatahi ki a kotahira. Tātou, tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou, tātou
Kabaka. Practice. Our teacher is Faila Kaya.
All right, tamariki mai itu. Standing up.
First we do our karakia. It's a prayer to help us learn better and have a good practice. Waya taiko te kura o te atatu. I love the haka. The haka is called Te Haka o Te Atatu. It's a special school haka. It's about everyone being a team together.
All right, well done, everyone. That was beautiful. Nice singing, nice haka. Awesome job.
We love doing pukana. We're amazing at kapa haka.
Kiraro, kia wiri, kia mau. Hei!
Oh, he!
Ano, kiraro, kia wiri, kia mau. Waiwa, takahia. Ngā manuhiri tuarangi e, haere, haere mai. Tahi rua toru wha pukana.
Hey, Mōhio,
Kia ora, Maya. How can I help you?
I was wondering, what is the purpose of the takahi?
In kapahaka, takahi is the stamping of the foot. It keeps the timing of the group and makes sure everyone is moving at the same time.
So, if we all takahi at the same time, all of our actions are the same as well.
Kei te tika time.
And what about the wiri? Why do we wiri?
Wiri gives an expression of energy. It gives life to your movements.
I see. Thanks, Mōhio.
The box. My favorite box. The magical box. Ooh, the box. What's in the box? Ha! Okay, Mr. Poaka, what have you got for me today? Ooh. Interesting. Feels like a ball. On a string. Maybe it's, Oh, but no fluffy pom-pom. You know what? Kaore au I te mōhio. I'm not really sure what this is. Maya! Kia ora, Maya.
Oh, he poi raupo.
Oh, I knew it was a poi, but I've never seen anything like this before.
He poi raupo tēnei. This is made from the leaves of the raupo. Actually, did you know that poi like these were first used by tāne?
Ne? Oh.
They were used for the strengthening of the wrists of our warriors.
Well, I must need a lot more practice because this is getting tiring. Oh, can I try that one?
Ka hore, you got this. Keep practicing.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Jaya, and this is a story about hot pools. In the hot, steamy land of the geothermal prawn park, Arya and Rohan joined their parents on an exciting adventure. The air was filled with the scent of sulfur, and the ground was warm underneath their feet. Dad announced, "Today we'll explore the magic hot pools." The kids' eyes sparkled with excitement as they approached the bubbling pools. Arya giggled, dipping her toe in and feeling a tickle. "Let's find some shrimp," Rohan exclaimed, armed with a small net. Carefully, they approached the warm pools, spotting a prawn darting between colourful rocks. "I see one," Rohan shouted, scooping it up. Arya joined in, and they took turns catching tiny shrimp. Mum smiled. These prawns are raised here, where the water is just the right temperature for them. Mum explained these prawns love the warm water. After their adventure, the family relaxed by the pools, enjoying the soothing warmth. Arya and Rohan couldn't wait to share their prawn-catching stories with their friends. What a great story! The end.
Hi, Edita, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Kakite ano, we'll see you again. Yeah. Woo. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Kakite ano, we'll see you again. Tofa soy fwa. Enohora. Kakite ano, we'll see you again.